Global Empire Event and Business Nation TV is organizing the Chapter 11 of Ek Nari Sau Pe Bhari and Leaders of Bharat Award. We are talking to some awardees as well. Ma'am, first of all, tell us about your good self.
Thank you very much choosing me, and I am Dr. Tessie Ronnie, coming from Kerala, and I am very glad to come over here and take this award, and I am the Woman of the Year, and I am very proud to be the Woman Mentor of the Year.
So please tell us about your significant achievement.
I'm a doctor and I was working 26 years in Saudi Arabia, Saudi Armed Forces, and back to Kerala. I started my career an entrepreneur. I have all my staff women.
How do you feel after receiving this award?
Very proud and very happy that all my journey is successful. I feel it, and I am writer also. So I wrote all the sufferings and the personality disorders and the problems who all the people is suffering due to the war and due to the caste, racism and everything. And before I won the award for the Kerala television channel also, but I feel it is an Asia award, so I am so proud.
Great. To whom you would like to dedicate this award?
Sure, my husband, because he is the one my backbone now. Yes, 27 years he is my backbone, and my children also. They are supporting me always, even though they miss me and they say, yo, ma, go, always go ahead like that. Never stop writing, never stop doing. So always I dedicate to my family.
Thank you so much for talking.
Thank you very much, and all your jobs. Congratulations, thank you very much.
Getting lost nowadays. We are in the world of mobile. We are looking into mobile rather than, even if it is a book, we are taking it to the Kindle edition rather than going through the
It's your achievements. To whom you would like to dedicate this award, and how do you feel after receiving?
So after receiving this, I would like to share with all the teachers, those who are working for the rural people mainly like me, because where there is a need, we should go there. So I'd like to dedicate this to my family members, to my Almighty, and to all the gurus who taught what life is and who taught me to teach. So I dedicate this to all my gurus, and really I'm feeling like flying in heaven after receiving this. Jai Hind.
Thank you.
Jai Hind.
My name is Geeta Divedi, and I am a founder of Fitness Coach Mastermind. So I feel very elated on top of the world, और वो मैंने अचीव कर लिया जो मैं चाहती थी. चेंज मेकर ऑफ द ईयर अवार्ड ही क्यों? बिकॉज मैं चाहती थी कि मैं फीमेल्स की ज़िंदगी में एक चेंज बनाऊँ, जो मैंने बनाया है.
कैसा लग रहा है इस अवार्ड को?
ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, ऑन टॉप ऑफ द वर्ल्ड.
और
मैं आसमान पे.
बिल्कुल. किसको डेडिकेट करना चाहिए?
आई डेडिकेट दिस अवार्ड टू माई चिल्ड्रेन, क्योंकि उनके लिए ही मैंने ये रास्ता चुना था. मैं अपने बेटे को ये मैसेज देना चाहती थी कि बच्चे, मतलब फीमेल्स आर इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज आई बिलोंग टू अ वेरी स्मॉल टाउन नेम गोरखपुर, जहाँ पे आज भी मेल डोमिनेशन है, जहाँ पे फीमेल्स को कुछ करना है तो आपको सोशल जो नॉर्म्स है उसके अंदर ही करना है. टू स्टेप आउट ऑफ योर हाउस भी आपको पूछना होता है. तो मैं ये मैसेज बेटे को देना चाहती थी कि वुमेन्स आर इक्वली इम्पॉर्टेंट, और अपनी बेटी को देना चाहती थी कि हाँ, तुम भी अपने सपने पूरे कर सकते हो, जुनू ने तो. और बच्चों ने उसको समझा. तो जैसे मैंने कहा, माई डॉटर इज़ लिटिल मिस इंडिया, उसने अपने सपनों को पूरा किया. माई सन इज़ अ म्यूजिक कंपोजर एंड ही इज़ लिविंग अ वेरी गुड लाइफ, and he is also nominated in Guinness Book of World Records.
Oh, great. Thank you so much for talking today.
Thank you.
My name is Gunjan, and I have received the award for outstanding contribution in empowering youth through spirituality. Basically, I'm a tarot card reader, and this award is the acknowledgement for the same.
Very great. So what's your significant achievement?
My significant achievement is basically people are depressed these days. Okay, so I am just influencing youth and helping them heal. That's what my idea is.
How do you feel after receiving this award?
it is amazingly well, and especially getting acknowledgement for such a work
Recognition.
is, thank you so very much.
Okay. So to whom you would like to dedicate this award?
I think I would like to dedicate this award to everyone who I have helped heal, and to all the other clients who are going to come up and becoming a part of this journey. So I would like to dedicate this award to all of them.
Nice answer. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.
At first, definitely, I'm going to congratulate every one of the ladies who are here to represent their work, and somehow they got that appreciation. They have achieved something. They are representing their work. So at first, I want to congratulate them, and also I'm very thankful to Global Empire event because they give us opportunity to represent ourselves. Somehow, we are being appreciated, and we will work more after appreciation. That is more thing. And definitely I want to thank, because today what I am, because of my parents, my father. I lost my mom in 2019. After that I have started this institute by her name. After that I got recognition from British Council. I had tied up with IDP later on, and right now I'm working for the students, those who are coming from social economic weaker section. And today whatever I am, I'm a married, obviously I'm a married, and my partner is always helpful to me. He was there, my friends are there, my students are there, so I just want to thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm Hemlata. I'm a director of Image Texpark Private Limited. I'm into textile business. We have a brand called Anavarana. We are expanding globally. This award is not just an award; it's a responsibility, and again we need to prove that.
How do you feel after receiving this award?
It's like again increasing our responsibility. We need to prove again and again. And I want to dedicate this award to all women, all Indian women. It's not that easy, Indian women getting into business.
Thank you so much.
Few more things I want to tell.
Yeah.
Usually people say women are talented, but I believe women are not just talented, they are multi-talented. Only thing is they need to believe themselves. And the other thing is women fight for gender equality. I think it's not necessary. We are not equal to any men or women. We are equal to ourselves. We need to believe ourselves.
Hi, my name is Aruna Srohi. I am a dietitian nutritionist by profession, founder of a Walnut Well, and I have completed my bachelor's and master's from clinical nutrition dietetics, and I am a diabetic educator too. Thank you so much. Thank you Business Nation TV and Global Empire Events for introducing and giving us this opportunity. And this award is a perfect example that hardworking, dedication, and believe in your mission and yourself is anything can be possible. And I just would like to say at last for the youth that eat seasonal. As a dietitian, I would like to say like eat seasonal, eat local, eat whole fruits and whole grains. Thank you so much for this. Thank you.
Receiving this award on behalf of my daughter and wife.
Okay.
And this project is known as familywala.com. We are providing online marketplace especially for the women entrepreneur who are making any of the product at their home. They are working in a self-help group, or they have the small MSME centers or the organization. We are providing online platform.
How do you feel after receiving this award?
Receiving this award is we are very thankful to Ek Nari Corporation and Biz Nation. Thank you for this appreciation, because this will help our team to get more motivated and enthusiastic about this project.
Thank you so much for talking today.
Thank you.
I'm Dr. Asha Kumari, and I'm from Devi Drapes with my bhabhi Indu Tigrania. I have founded this startup for promoting the handloom, hand embroidered and hand painted sari, suits and dresses. And we received the award for Emerging Startup of the Year and the upcoming author of the year.
How do you feel after receiving this award?
I feel extremely excited, and I would like to show you my book. The name of the book is The Menstrual Mythbuster, and I thank the Biz Nation TV and the Global Empire Events for providing me this opportunity. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
मुझे वर्सटाइल होलिस्टिक हीलर के नाम से अवार्ड मिला गया है, और बेसिकली मैं डॉक्टर हूँ इन मेडिटेशन में। हाँ, और लास्ट 30 इयर्स से टैरोट रीडिंग, क्रिस्टल हीलिंग मैं काम कर रही हूँ, और मैं NLP कोच भी हूँ। नॉट इन इंडिया, इवन ऑल ओवर वर्ल्ड लास्ट 30 ईयर्स से आई एम वर्किंग विद द वुमेन एंड मेन एंड स्पेशली इन चिल्ड्रंस। और जो मेरी स्पेशलिटी है वो स्पेशली एक तो चक्रा हीलिंग में मेरी स्पेशलिटी है कि हम अपनी चक्रास को बैलेंस करके कैसे हम अपनी लाइफ को अपलिफ्ट कर सकते हैं, अपने चैलेंजेस से कैसे ओवरकम हो सकते हैं। फर्स्ट तो ये, और दूसरा जो मुझे लगता है कि आज की डेट में, सॉरी डॉक्टर्स जितने भी हैं, मैंने एक मुहिम उठाया है कि मिनिमम मेडिसिन्स के साथ आप अपनी बॉडी को हील कैसे कर सकते हैं। जब डॉक्टर्स के यहाँ से एक उम्मीद हट जाती है और डॉक्टर भी कह देते हैं और दवाई काम करना बंद कर देती है, उससे पहले ही जब हम लोगों से बात करते हैं तो लोग हमारे पास कम आते हैं। बट जब उनकी उम्मीदें टूटती हैं और वहाँ से उनको हीलिंग, वहाँ से वो प्रॉपर हील नहीं हो पाते, तब हमारी हीलिंग काम करती है। और इसमें मैं किसी और का तो क्या बोलूँ, मैं अपना ही आपको बता सकती हूँ कि मेरी बॉडी का कोई भी पार्ट ऐसा नहीं है जो कि बहुत अच्छे से वर्क करता है हेड टू टो, बट आई एम स्टिल वर्किंग। और कहीं से भी आप, रीज़न उसका क्या है, वो उसका रीज़न हीलिंग है। मुझे एक्चुअली ये आता है कि मैं अपनी बॉडी को हील कैसे कर सकती हूँ, बट ये हमें चीज़ें आती कहाँ से हैं, हमारे अंदर है सब कुछ। हमें पता होना चाहिए, हमें उन चीज़ों को जो डेड हो गए हैं, हमारे जो डेड सेल्स हैं, उनको हम कैसे हील करें, कैसे अपने आप को अपलिफ्ट करें और अपने माइंड के क्लटर को कैसे बाहर करें।
बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत खूब। आप ये अवार्ड किसको डेडिकेट करना चाहेंगे?
मैं स्पेशली अपने बच्चों को डेडिकेट करना चाहूँगी क्योंकि वो मुझे बहुत मोटिवेट करते हैं।
बहुत। आप भी कुछ साझा करना चाहते हैं? आप साथ में?
मैं इनके साथ हूँ, ये मुझे मेरी अब बड़ी बहन मानते हैं मेरे को अपने, और मैं इनके साथ काफ़ी सालों से हूँ। वैसे मैं एजुकेशन से हूँ, रिटायर्ड प्रिंसिपल, एंड आई एम जियो कंसल्टेंसी कंप्यूटर्स, एंड अपना स्कूल भी चलाया है, फार्मेसी की फैक्ट्री भी चलाई है 5 साल।
बहुत खूब।
और अभी मैं छोटे बच्चों के लिए संस्कार केंद्र की ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चलाती हूँ और नेचुरल फार्मिंग एग्रीकल्चर की ग्लोबल ट्रेनर हूँ।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम फॉर टॉकिंग टू टेनिस।
आपने मुझे ये मौका दिया, आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल, आई एम फीलिंग ब्लेस्ड।
थैंक यू सो मच मैम। वी आर ब्लेस्ड टू टॉक टू यू। थैंक यू।